Dr. G here. This is your quick tip to download your survey from Qualtrics and have those response codes right embedded next to the question. All right, everybody, here's what you need to do. Open up your survey, make sure you're in the editing. There is a drop-down box here called Tools. Go to Tools, Import Export. You're going to export this survey to a Word document. Make sure that Show Question Numbers is checked, as well as Show Coded Values. So this is going to take the values that Qualtrics has assigned for each of your responses, and when you export it, you will see that those codes will be embedded right next to your survey here. So it's pretty cool. So I know you did a code book in the last activity, and you may have used, let's say, are you 18 years of older? You may have coded it as 0 as no and 1 as yes. Now, no, from Qualtrics, they're going to append their own coding schema. So you need to know that 1 is yes and 2 is no. So here I've got a categorical question, and these are just categorical responses. Now, what you're going to understand or need to understand is that if you can certainly do a pie chart with these since it's categorical, but if you wanted to do any analysis on an athlete versus how long they stayed, or a relative versus how long, how much money they brought into the community, you're going to need to make these ones and zero as binary. But I'm not sure that you'll need to do that for this particular research assignment. So you can go through and see. Now, the most important thing is to know that each one of these responses, that is the code that comes out of Qualtrics. Now, you may have more of a complicated question like I have here, where you've done a matrix to make it less complicated for the user. So in this case, I'm looking for average daily amount that these people spent in the community for this particular event. So you will see here that each one of these will have a separate code. So for those who spent less than $50, let's say they selected this is going to come out as a 1. Lodging will be, each response will be a 1 through a 9. And so then each one of these will go into a separate column, but just know that is numerical and it is from low to high. So that's all you need to do to get a nice, clean version of your survey that you will put in with your report for your assignment. And note that what you want to make sure is that whatever is coming out of when you download your file to import it into Python, and we'll do that in the next video, know that these numbers correspond with those particular responses. So as always, as you know, you can always reach out to me via email or office hours, or drop a comment in down below. Take care, everyone.